All right, another update. It's raining out right now, so sorry if there's a little bit of echo on the tarps. But I want to hit this up before I start getting too far. I'm getting ready to put the transmission back in. Obviously this has been rebuilt, should be able to handle up to 450 horse, which is what we're going to be pushing with the new LS. I've got energy suspension back mount for this to replace the stock. Wanted to get a good image of how cleaned up we got this engine bay. Everything just cleaned down really well. And I used, at least on the frame, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in here, but the frame's nice and glossy black. The back firewall was actually a semi-gloss paint, but it actually kind of looks very similar. And I painted the whole way back. And if you want to know what paint I used, this stuff is my new go-to for darn near anything. The Pour 15 top coat gloss black. Man, that stuff is awesome. So that said, yeah, we're getting ready to put things back together. Let's hop in, take one more look. I don't know how I'm going to splice these videos together. I've taken so many little ones. Just put the shortening, the JB shortening transfer case mount on here, so no more slip mount on here. Bye-bye. You can see the old slip mount. I mean, this stuff was ridiculous. This piece alone cost me, what, like 350 bucks. It's all gone. So we shortened this whole thing up by 9 inches, which is going to help with the driveline angles, which is going to be great. So now we'll just have to put a slip in the rear driveline, but that's fine. It's just going to bolt right here with that double cardon joint. Just going to go right on there. That's going to be great. So excited for that. We have the 5.3 here. Boom. It's just got a nice quick coat of paint here and on the valve covers and even on the timing cover. We put new springs in here to handle the truck Norris cam, which I'm so excited about. I've got Speed Engineering headers, stainless headers right here. All right, well, they just fell right out of the box. So Speed Engineering stainless headers here. Put those back in a minute. And yeah, getting ready to put everything back together. We'll get to the wiring later. For now, we need to get the tranny in there, the transfer case, figure out the length of the drive line, send that off to get that rebuilt. Get the motor and the headers and worry about wiring later. Also, love this fuel line. I did run all new fuel line. Got all these fittings. I believe it's from Evil Fittings. They're on Amazon. I could crawl underneath and show you. I guess we could sneak under there really quick. Man, it's wet. You might not be able to see this, but I don't know if the camera will pick it up. We got the Corvette fuel filter and return in there, and then new lines running up. It's probably not going to show up on camera. It's too dark. It's a gloomy day in Oregon. Fun times. Sorry for the crappy video work. But yeah, that's where we're at. Getting ready to put it back together. Super excited. See you again soon.